What's up, guys? We are here in Wyndham, New Hampshire. We are about to take on a huge project, a 3,000 square foot sod job. We're gonna make this property look like a golf course. Stay tuned, you're not gonna wanna miss it. If y'all wanna see some muscles, I'm about to take this thing off the trailer by myself with no help, no ramp, no nothing.
I was hitting something right here. I just wanted to see what it was. Oh, it's a rock. Make sure you flag your irrigation heads. You don't want to hit it with the sod cutter. It's going to make more of a mess than you really want. So I'm very happy how the sod cutter is working out. I mean, as you can see, it's leaving a nice grade as well, so we're not digging too deep in, making this job a-okay. Yeah, buddy, so we're gonna go dump this dirt now. We have the sod coming on Monday from Landscapers Depot. Top of the line products. Holler at Landscapers Depot. Stay tuned, you're not gonna wanna miss this. We are back, trying to finish the sod job out. It's looking great. Go with sod. You got perfect grass right off the get-go. You just can't beat New England weather in the fall. Something about it. Very special, almost as special as this sod that we're laying down right now. Yeah, buddy, we out here today.